Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you ClassDojo how to delete a message. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Currently ClassDojo doesn't offer an option to delete messages that have already been sent, whether you are a teacher, parent or a student. Once a message is sent to the platform, it cannot be deleted or unsent. However, there are a few things that you can do. If you are a teacher, if you need to remove a message, you can simply send a follow-up message to clarify or correct any errors. You can also delete any posts you made to the class story which are public for all students and parents in your class. If you are a parent or student and if you have mistakenly sent a message, your best option is to send a correction or a follow-up message to clarify the intent. ClassDojo is designed with privacy in mind, so while you can delete messages, your interactions are kept within the boundaries of your classroom. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.